how to turn off or on group chat notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First open VK and now click on your profile here, and not your profile, click this hub icon and now click these three lines and then click settings and then click notifications, and here we'll find group chat. Now you can turn it off or on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.